Cure blisters fast with natural remedies. Have you ever broken in a new pair of shoes? If you have, then you've surely had the classic blisters on the heels and toes. They're horribly painful. What can we do? Don't forget these simple tips. They're sure to help you. 1. Help, I have a blister. Narrow, tight-fitting shoes almost always end up causing us problems. Especially if they were new and we wear them for extended periods of time. A mistake many people make is popping the blisters as soon as they take off their shoes. Why is this a mistake? Because it can lead to infection. When you take off your shoes and you see that the heel is inflamed and there's a blister, follow these steps. Fill a tub or basin with salt water, add 5 tablespoons of salt to 5 liters of hot water. While the water is still hot, submerge your feet. It may hurt at first, but after a few minutes you find relief. Relax for 15–20 minutes. Carefully dry your feet and check the blisters again. If they were large and it's difficult to get your shoes on, it would be better to drain the liquid. Do it with a needle that has been sterilized with alcohol. However, it's generally advised not to pop them. They heal better and aren't as likely to get infected. 2. A little relief, aloe vera. Aloe vera is great for treating an endless array of everyday problems. If you have blisters on your feet, then without a doubt, aloe vera is your best friend. Calms pain and stinging. Heals wounds. Blisters dry up more quickly and are less bothersome the following day. To receive the benefits of this treatment, you only need 20 grams of aloe vera gel. It's the transparent gel from the plant's center. Apply to blisters and abrasions, cover the area with a bandage and leave to work overnight. 3. Baking soda, always good for blisters. Do you want to know how to cure blisters? Then write down these tips. Carefully wash your feet in a basin or tub of hot water, then add 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary. It's an excellent anti-inflammatory that helps eliminate any impurities or bacteria on the blister. Dry your feet. Take 200 milliliters of water and add 20 grams of baking soda and 40 milliliters hydrogen peroxide. Stir well. Generously apply the solution to the affected areas with a cotton ball. Continue applying until all of the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide solution is used. If done twice, the following day the blisters will be practically healed and abrasions won't be as noticeable. 4. A simple remedy with garlic. For this remedy, the only things that you need are 3 cloves of garlic and 100 grams of thyme. Would you like to know how to alleviate blisters and abrasions on the feet? Write this down. Heat 5 liters of water and add 100 grams of thyme. This medicinal plant is great for disinfecting and reducing inflammation. and is necessary to remove any impurities from the blisters or abrasions. Soak your feet in the hot water and relax for at least 20 minutes, then dry carefully. Look over your blisters and remember that if they aren't that big, it's best not to pop them to keep them from getting infected. Place 3 cloves of garlic into a mortar and once well crushed, soak into 2 bandages. Apply this remedy to the area with blisters or abrasions. You already know that garlic is an amazing natural antibiotic that can treat any wound or abrasion. Let work for 15 minutes, then remove. No need to rinse. Leave the garlic to do its job. To treat blisters and abrasions, choose the treatment that most appeals to you. It's important to first wash your feet, then apply the remedy of your choice, whether it be aloe vera or baking soda. These are simple remedies that you find really useful.